Alphablocks Word Magic. Let's meet Alphablock I. Hello, I. Time to do some word magic. Ink. Ink. Pin. Very good. Why don't you put it on the wall? That's not going to work. Well done. Pin. An impressive pin. Bin. It's this shot to win the championship. She takes her position. The crowd falls silent and... Daisy is the new Binball World Champion! Bin! An incredible bin! I think she's very important indeed. Alphablocks Word Magic.